Today we will see we, browser clean, how to browser clean and PC clean. First, uh, we will see browser clean. First, open my Chrome browser. Then Control Shift Delete button press. Advance all time, all item are selected. Clear data. Then Control Shift Delete press basic all time, select all time, clear data. Browser clean, okay. Then we will see PC clean. First, this PC, click manage events viewer, then Windows log, then application, clear log, clear, security, clear log, clear, setup, clear log, clear, system, clear log, clear, forward, clear log, clear. This PC clean, okay. Then Ccleaner. First open, then health check, start, make it better. Then custom clean menu, sub menu, Windows and application. First Windows, all menu select, but advanced Wi-Fi is not selected, only on. Run cleaner, analyze, run cleaner, analyze, then application, run cleaner, run cleaner. Firefox is my private browser, so it is important. Oh yeah, this browser cookie is important, so it not selected. All account login, Chrome browser, so Chrome selected. Then all selected, only Firefox not selected, is my private browser. Run cleaner, analyze, registry, scan for issue, review select scan for issue. No issue. Then Dixmax. Yes. Mark system plus. Then processing your account অর্থাৎ my PC all cookie, processing recycle bin content is scanning Windows 10 main, cleaning Windows events log, okay. My friend, PC clean and browser clean complete. Thank you for watching